Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook page not recommendable problem. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to the page that you want to solve this problem in, and I will leave you a link down below in the description. Try to download the extension that I left down below. Now, you should go to Professional Dashboard. On the left side right here, you have this option. Then you should now scroll down right here in the Your Tools section. You will have this option down below, Page Recommendation. Just click on it. It will show you this page, but here as you can see, my page is recommendable. Now, let's say that you do not have this option or this display right here. You will need to do the following steps. First, you'll have to open the extensions just like so, then go to manage extensions. It doesn't matter really which browser you are using. Here in my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can do the same steps for any other browser. Then once you go to this page, you should now click on this option right here, developer mode. Just make sure to enable it. And if you are using the Chrome, you will find it up right here on the top right corner. Now, after enabling it, you should now download the extension that I have left you down below in the description. So here, as you can see, you have it. You can just click on extract to Facebook page, just like this. Then you should now drag this folder and just drop it right here. And here, as you can see, I have the extension Facebook page not recommendable, and I have it enabled. Now, what you should do is to simply open a new tab, then go and click on this extension or puzzle icon right here. Then just make this show in the toolbar, and you have to click on it just like so. And now it will show you this section right here, as you can see. Now I'll have to click to go to fan page. And once you click on the extension, it will jump you directly to this page. Now you'll have to provide all these details and check these two boxes, then click on send require. And once you go back to your page, you will find out that it is now recommendable as shown here on your screen. But just try to refresh the page after a couple of minutes or a couple of hours of sending the request. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.